Hey friends, welcome! Today we are talking about Halloween and I am going to show you how to fold a bat napkin. A really cool skill that you can learn and use this Halloween. Coming right up! Hey, I'm Sarah. This is Creative Ramblings, where I share simple, inspiring projects with new videos every week. Here you can find simple crafts, easy seasonal projects like this one I'm showing you today, and lots more family-friendly fun. If that sounds like something you want to see, hit that subscribe button and be sure to ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. All right, today I am going to show you how to fold a bat napkin. This is a really simple skill, but it's something that's going to take your holiday table up a notch. If you like folding napkins and being creative like that, check out this video right here where I show you 2 ways to fold a napkin for an Easter table setting. Plan now, you'll be way ahead of the game. So in our house, we tried to do away with paper napkins and paper towels a couple years ago, and we got a big basket of cloth napkins. Now, after a couple of years, it is second nature to grab for that cloth napkin instead of a disposable one. It reduces our impact on the environment, and it's just a really nice way to eat a meal. I find that this is a really cool thing to do with kids. It makes them feel like they're really helping out the earth. I know my girls really get a lot out of this. If you're using cloth napkins, it's fun to fold them every now and then. Why not dress up your table a little bit? Doesn't even have to be for a party. You can totally do this just for a regular dinner. So I grabbed some black cloth napkins. I really like the ones that I use in this video. I linked to them down in the description below. They wash really well, they're really absorbent, and they're nice and soft too. So take a look at how easy it is to fold a bat napkin for Halloween, and then how you can use that at your Halloween table. You can take this bat folding technique and use it with your napkins this Halloween. Set a pretty table and invite some guests over, or put a few of these bat napkins on a buffet around your candy and your treats and all of that good stuff. If you like this technique, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. Do you want to see more napkin videos? What else can I show you? Maybe we'll do some Thanksgiving, some Christmas napkin folding. I'd love to do a few more, but let me know what you want to see down in the comments. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. I'll be back next week. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.